Hey, have you heard of this couple? They're currently traveling around the world and reinventing themselves again. Can you imagine? Going back and resetting your life again? I know, right? Well, yeah, they are already doing it. Look, and you can call them Aey and Mel. We're on the way to Batumi today. We're currently here in Tbilisi Central Station. We're gonna grab their train on the way to Batumi. Heading in. So there's an escalator here. So we'll check the platform because it says here on platform number 1. So we'll just double check which platform it is. We still got 20 minutes before the train leaves. Oh, so this must be our train. It's still pretty early. I think we still got 25 to 30 minutes. But I guess this is our train. We'll leave around 10:50 a.m. And it's currently 10:25. So, yeah, we still got 20 minutes, almost 20 minutes. So we need to get in, I guess, so we still have a space for our luggage, but we have an assigned seat. Look how crowded it is, but this is what the platform looks like. So we'll check in and queue on that line. We're heading in, and usually someone will check your ticket at the door, so make sure to prepare your passport and your ID. We need to prepare our passport. So we're on the second floor.
He didn't check.
Yeah, he didn't check. So he trusts us, I guess. So this is the first floor, and so we're heading on the second floor. Our luggage with us. And we're on the second floor of this train. And we're on the seat 76 and 77. Oh, which is here. Which is pretty close. Okay. This is what their seats look like. And it looks like we're facing someone. It's not obvious when you book it because it's not really saying if you're facing someone. But yeah, so we're literally near the stairs. There's a television. I'm not sure if that's gonna work.
76.
Yeah. Yeah. And if someone's sitting here, we're facing with someone.
Face to face.
Let's assume. But we hope that no one's facing us. So this is what their chairs looks like. Yes. Let's see if we can turn it. They're trying to rotate it, but it's not. Because we remember when we went to Bosnia, you can rotate the train so you can see the nicest view, but I guess it's not.
Seat.
Yeah. And this is their window. It's pretty clean. Yeah. Hopefully no one's sitting here and we can solo this area, but we'll see. So far the chair is pretty decent for a 5-hour travel.
Pretty spacious here.
I guess lesson learned, if you're probably at the last end of the chair,
Don't book them near that.
because expect it to be sitting with someone face to face.
Oh yeah.
There's no table.
Yeah, I'll show you. You're sitting here. There's like a face to face here. So if you're towards the end, it's not a good place. I reckon.
Yeah, but I guess if you still have a choice,
Stick in the middle.
on the other part.
Yeah, in the middle area. We picked near the stairs because we thought it would be more space, but guess not. Lesson learned.
And we came in here 25 minutes early, and we were able to get aboard here and put their luggage and sit here. So I guess it's much better to get in because it's pretty warm today.
Yeah, it was pretty easy to find. So when you're trying to book, because we booked by appointment, we selected like the main entrance number 2, and then it was just up the lift and it was just there.
Escalator.
Yeah, pretty easy to find.
Pretty straightforward. So. And we're still, I think, 10 minutes away. And we're gonna be leaving soon. And we're excited to see you in Batumi. We're gonna explore the other side of Georgia today. Yeah. Oh, let's hope no one's sitting in front of us. So we have the space on our own. Because we're traveling on weekday. Wednesday specifically at 10:50 a.m. So we booked this travel time on the way to Batumi, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so far this is what their platform looks like. We're just waiting for it to leave in like 10 minutes. Yeah. But I guess it's starting to get packed now, even on weekday. Right?
Yeah.
Let's see. A lot of people got big luggages, so we'll try to figure out. And the small luggage can fit on top, which is nice, because ours is on top. Two of our luggages are theirs, so it's nice. So we have a small luggage. It's pretty handy, right? It's pretty easy to carry everywhere.
That's our luggage for clothing.
Yeah, if you're curious if you can put your luggage in, the small one can fit on top, and the usual backpack sizes. Yeah, it's getting really crowded. Look at that view, so nice. I'm not sure where this is. Which area is this? It's really nice. Moving now, takes us 5 hours. Heading to Batumi. I decided to stand up. It's pretty uncomfortable while sitting because someone's in front of us. But look at this luggage, it's over here. There's chunks even at the back. Look at this, luggage is everywhere. The view. Decided to stand up. Have a break from sitting.
Stand.
Yeah.
The view is nice as well by the by the door.
Well, the window in front of us is nice. You also have a toilet here, so you don't need to worry. It's a 5-hour travel time. Yeah. This is the hallway. The one is over there. Just waiting for the toilet because someone's inside. But yeah. It's the vending machine over here. Pretty crowded. But yeah, I'll try to get something from it. It's pretty crowded. It's on weekday. I'll get something to drink and a snack maybe.
ყურადღება. შემდეგი გაჩერება სადგური ურეკი. Dear passengers, the next station will be Ureki.
Okay. And just that, we're almost there. You can see the water from here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that view. Wow, there.
ყურადღება, გაჩერება სადგური ბათუმი. Station is Batumi.
Really crowded. Here. We're here. We went to this left side.
Yeah, on the edge. Then
On
you
the
have
edge,
a good
so you can roll your luggage with you and don't need to carry it down the stairs. So we're finally here.
are looking for the Bolt stop. So this is the train station. We're looking for the Bolt pick-up point. It's still like 20 to 30 minutes away, so we'll have to figure out. I think it's somewhere near here.
The pickup point is just here in this area. So we're gonna get picked up here. So our boat. Which one? Which area is this?
Entrance.
Oh yeah. Well, they can see it on Bolt app. Anyways, the entrance of the Batumi station. So yeah. See you. So yeah, we finally arrived in Batumi, and let's proceed on how you can properly book a seat on the train from Tbilisi to Batumi, and where we usually book this ticket online. So our go-to website for booking this train is under tkt.ge. So this is their local website for booking railways. And this is usually also for the cinema and theaters. Like most of the events that's happening in Georgia is here. So yeah, it's pretty convenient. And yeah, so you don't need to worry about the language as well, because you can easily change it to English. And the location from where, for example, is Tbilisi heading to Batumi. And for one way, for example, I booked in on October 2, is on, like, for example, at this afternoon, which is 17:10. So let's proceed. And on class 2, so let's click continue. So what's nice about this website is you can continue without authorization or even making an account. And yeah, so for example, so there's like 2 floors, first floor and second floor. So what I'm saying about is if it's like most of the gray chairs are already booked, so that's a sign that someone already booked it, and the blue ones are for the ones that are available. So like for example, this one, number 38, 39, 36, and 37, they're obviously facing each other, as you can see from the arrow. But once 38 and 39 are booked, they're already gray. It's pretty hard to spot sometimes if you're really facing onto someone, especially if it's your first time. You will assume every chair is facing onto one direction only. But apparently for this train, it's different. As you can see on 987, 654 as well. So to avoid this type of thing, make sure even on the second floor they have the same one. So you need to be aware of spotting of the chairs facing onto someone. This one is not booked, so you can clearly see they're facing each other. So for you to avoid facing face to face with a stranger, that's a quick tip from us. Yeah, that's pretty much it.